Hello, welcome to my channel. Namaste. So today we are going to look at a very important asana for health and well-being. This is very important for improving your digestion to its optimum level and efficiency. It is called the Vajrasana or the diamond pose. So it is very important to sit in this asana just after having meals or before having meals for 10 minutes every day. So let's check out how to do Vajrasana. So firstly, come on your knees, stand on your knees. Easy. You can place a very thick mat under your knees as well. Okay, so first I will show side view. Come on your knees and just barely touch your toes. They have to touch each other. So they just have to touch each other. They are not to be placed like this or one on the other. They simply are touching each other. Okay, and then simply sit in between your heels and adjust yourself and sit in Vajrasana. So from the front view, looks like this. The toes are simply touching each other. Simply sit in between your heels, having your arms spaced, or one on your stomach, one on your chest center, and close your eyes and relax. Observe the energy going into your body for digestion. This improves digestion a lot. People who are just starting to sit in Vajrasana, they really need help of a thick mat. So for absolute beginners, please use thicker mats, at least 8 mm. Okay, and then sit in Vajrasana. And for even more new absolute beginners, we have to use bolsters. So place a bolster in between your legs and simply sit on the bolster as so riding the bolster. Take the support of this bolster and sit in Vajrasana. It's very easy and it's highly beneficial. So eventually increase the time you sit in Vajrasana. It can go from minutes, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then go to 5, 10, 20, half an hour. You try to sit in Vajrasana for 1 hour every day. So simply try to change your lifestyle from sitting in Sukhasana to sitting in Vajrasana. It is really effective and very good. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Take care.